Resilient people focus on self-care. Now, I want to talk a little bit about what we do with this. Let's pull these all up here. You've probably heard ad nauseam all of the things that you're supposed to do. Eating right, sleeping right, exercising, drinking more water. How many of you heard those messages over and over again? Absolutely. So I'm not going to talk about the basics because you already know those. You already know the kinds of things. One of the things that's hard for me to do is drink enough water. Because when I sit down in my home office at the beginning of the day, I have that glass of water there, and by 5 o'clock I come back and, I've been working on my computer. It's still sitting there completely full. When I'm presenting, I drink a lot more water. And so I have to figure out, I'm not a sipper when it comes to water. I have to be a gulper. So when I start my morning, I drink down 2 glasses of water really quickly. When I have my lunch, I drink them as fast as I can. At least I've got the bare minimums, because if I sip, it doesn't matter if I get those pretty nice little jugs, ones with straws, ones without straws, ones that beep, ones that glow, doesn't matter. I can't do the sipping thing. So you got to figure out, do you exercise at the beginning of the day, at the end of the day? Do you do it at the end on the weekends? Like, how does this stuff work for you? And I like that you said laughing, because I've started to watch YouTube videos that are funny videos, things that are going to make me giggle, that are going to bring humor to my life. I want more of that. If I want more of that, then I need to be much more purposeful about that. So thinking about those things, write them down on a sticky so that when you have these moments, because it is about the moments. It's not about the big things. It's about these moments that we build into our everyday that can help us build that energy, change our perspective, give us that sense of purpose and passion.